Hey, sweet lovers! Palm tree today, we're making a super easy, delicious creamy coconut cake that's perfect for any occasion. Light, fluffy, creamy, and packed with coconut goodness. Let's get baking. Here's what you'll need. 1 box of white cake mix, 16 ounces. 1 can of cream of coconut, 14 ounces. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 14 ounces. 1 tub of whipped topping, thawed, 16 ounces. And 1 pack of flaked coconut, 10 ounces. Simple ingredients, big flavor. Step 1. Bake your white cake mix in a 9 by 13 inch pan, just as the box says. Once baked, let it cool completely. Patience is key. Now, let's make the magic mix. In a bowl, combine cream of coconut and sweetened condensed milk. Stir until smooth and creamy. Time to transform this cake. Poke holes all over the cooled cake using a straw or skewer. Then slowly pour that creamy coconut mixture over the cake. Let it soak into every bite. Wave next, gently spread the whipped topping across the cake. It's like giving your cake a fluffy coconut cloud blanket. Cloud, then sprinkle generously with flaked coconut. Go as crazy as you like. Pop it in the fridge and chill for a few hours. This cake is best served cold. Snowflake sparkles bonus tip. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream or some toasted coconut on top for a crunchy twist. And there you have it, your delicious creamy coconut cake. Fluffy, moist, and bursting with tropical flavor. Perfect for parties, potlucks, or just because you deserve it. Speech balloon. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below if you're a coconut fan. Subscribe for more tasty treats from For You Veggie Bloom. Herb Green Heart.